In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stock to your Robinhood watch list. A watch list is a simple way to keep an eye on stocks without buying them, so you can track prices, news, and performance at a glance. To get started, open the Robinhood app on your phone or go to the website in your browser. Once you're signed in, head to your main dashboard. This is the home view where you see your portfolio value, recent moves, and quick access to your lists. On the desktop website, your watch lists live on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see sections labeled with your list names, like your default watch list or any custom lists you've made. On mobile, you'll find your lists on the Home tab, usually a bit lower on the page as you scroll. Take a moment to locate them so you know where the stock will appear when you're done. Next, use the search bar to find the stock you want to add. You can type the full company name or, if you know it, the ticker symbol for a faster result. As you type, Robinhood will suggest matches. Tap or click the correct stock from the results to open its detail page. On the stocks page, look for the option labeled Add to Lists. Select that to bring up your list menu. This is the tool that lets you place the stock into one or more of your watch lists. If you don't see the option right away, it's typically near the top of the page or in the menu with other actions related to the stock. Now choose where you want this stock to live. You can select an existing watch list, great if you already organize by themes like tech, dividends, or long-term holds, or you can create a new list on the spot. When creating a new one, keep the name short and descriptive so it's easy to scan later. After you've made your selection, tap Save to confirm. Head back to your dashboard to confirm everything worked. You should now see the stock in the watch list you chose. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh or double check that you added it to the correct list. From here, you can repeat the process for any other stocks you'd like to follow. That's it. With just a few taps or clicks, you've added a stock to your Robinhood watch list, making it easier to stay organized and monitor the market in one place.